Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to post your template on Capcut. So make sure that you downloaded Capcut from your device and log in with any of your accounts. So once you're in there, tap on the edit button, that like Caesar icon, and then tap new project. So you'd be able to choose any videos that you wish to, and then you can now start editing that by adding some effects that would make a good template. So just like this one, this video is from my gallery, so I've just used this video, and I'll be adding some editing over here. And once you are done, then you can tap that arrow bottom upper right and wait for it to export,
It will show
and
you
this will
option
show
like this,
option
post as
post as
template.
template.
You can
Just
simply
tap on
click
it
on this
and
and it
click
will
done,
start uploading
and then you
as
will now have
template.
your
Done. And that's how
template
you can
available
create
on
templates
CapCut.
in
So that's the
CapCut.
process. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.